So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So the story behind this project is the house was actually repointed last year. A customer was very unhappy with the quality of work he received. We finished the house down the road and the customer realised the quality of work they received here to how it should have looked on the property that we restored further down the road. So what's happened on this project is the house has been repointed in a flush finish. None of it's been brushed off very well. It's not a very nice colour to the mortar. We've got areas that have been missed. As you can see, in areas the bricks have badly been sanded back, got big chunks still on the bricks in lots of different areas. All of the collar joints around the windows, they're all starting to crack already. Same sort of thing on this side and this side, all around the collar joints. If you can see that they're all starting to crack and blow already. Got quite a lot of cracks in the brick still that never got replaced, but the overall quality of the repointing is not very good at all. It's not been brushed off very well. Areas like this, it's been poor, badly finished. Still lots of cracks on the masonry. Like I say again, all the collar joints are cracking as well. Areas like this the customer's not happy with around the base of the column now, badly been brushed off. More cracking all around the collar joints. Areas up the top where they've not put new bricks in, badly been finished behind the downpipes. So overall just a poor quality job that's been done here. So we're going to take all of this out, repoints, clean all the brickwork again. Areas down there we can see it's not being cleaned very well. We're going to clean it all, cut out all the bricks that were missed, then we're going to repoint it in a tuck pointing style. As you can see, the house next door, it's got the original tuck pointing, so it should have been a like for like finish. All these houses, is Edwardian houses on this terrace, was all tuck pointed originally, so we're tuck pointing it all. It's going to look fantastic once you do it properly. Upstairs it's the same sort of thing. Upstairs repointing's just not been done to a great standard. More cracks in bricks, all the collar joints cracking again, as I said previously. Areas where we could have put new bricks in have not been put in. Window sills, we're going to decorate all of the window sills. These are already cracked and blown, so we're going to have to restore all of these properly. Yeah, just overall a very rushed job. I know he said he had the scaffolding up here for around about 5 months. Had to in the end clear all their tools off site. They never came back to finish the project, so unfortunately this is what we see time and time again. Customers getting a finish that's not a very good standard at all. So we're going to sort this out for the customer, get it all looking how it should be, and transform this to one of the best looking houses on the street as always. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project all completed now. So what we did on this project, we had to restore this project back to its original features. Unfortunately it was repointed by another company last year. If you go scroll back to our previous videos, you'll see the condition of how it was pointed in. So it was pointed very badly, so the customer was really unhappy with the quality of work they received, so decided to get us in and restore it back to its original features. So what we did was we re-cleaned all of the brickwork. We cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks that should have been cut out originally in the first place. Then we repointed it all in natural lime mortar in a tuck pointing style. A customer saw one of our projects just down the road that we finished in a tuck pointing finish and realised the quality of how it should look, so decided to go for that finish. So like I say, we tuck pointed all of the brickwork. We redecorated all of the stonework because that wasn't done very well either. So stripped back all of the paint off all the stonework, restored all the stonework, redecorated it, squared up all of the window sills, made everything look good. All the parapet work wasn't done. So we've repointed all of the parapets properly, as you can see, tuck pointed right the way up to the coping stones, how it should have been done. All of the woodwork's been painted, front door's been painted, and it's just come out really well, how it should have been done in the first place. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.